Okay, test number 1. Man, welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. I'm so excited to report to you guys that I have a bunch of progress done. Oh man, it's been a crazy week. Okay, so let me show you a couple of these things. It's going to be a really fast video this week. First off, I don't really have any actual stands that I've built for the cymbals yet. This is just a makeshift kind of like triangle piece of wire that I put together to hold these things up. But the good news is that the rims are in. Rims are in. Okay, so now I can tune the tom and the floor tom. However, listen how crappy that snare sounds. The snare sounds crappy because I literally broke it. I'm so mad, but I totally just broke it. I can't believe it. I put too much pressure on it, and basically I wasn't paying attention to if I was tuning it evenly all around the outside edge, so I totally split the 3D printed rim. And so I've just jumped on the horn with Justin Eddy. Hopefully I can get that back soon and get another one of those. But I'm super excited to report that things are on the way. Next up, I'll be painting the drums or working on the bass drum. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm going to be doing yet. But I just wanted to give you guys that quick update for this week. Sorry the video is very short, but I'm going to play us out a little bit more just so you can hear a little more of the drums in the song. Here we go. Bam! Thanks for watching. Hey, hit that notification bell if you want to see the rest of the videos that I have coming up. But thank you very much. I will see you on the next Mini Drum Monday. Have a great day. Wow. Justin Eddy did such a great job. Man, I'm loving this. Oh man, so there you have it. I'm so excited.